Should girls not drive? This sensitive topic requires respectful, thoughtful approach. This notion has been deeply rooted in outdated and democratic beliefs, which has no base in modern society. If you see, basically, driving does not depend on gender. Driving depends on individuals' capability, their experiences, their learning, and their courage. But we are nobody to judge. There are two people, two sides. One says girls should not drive. In Saudi Arabia earlier, there was a ban on driving for ladies, for girls. But in 2018, it was lifted. Now this demonstrates a sign of equality. Still, there are places where girls still don't drive, but there are places where it's very much legal.
Girls should not drive because in IIHS report, girls injured in road accidents compared to the men's because they get panic in the accident situation.
As a research shows that girls are less involved in accidents.
Girls should not drive because there are huge possibility that girls accelerate more and more their accelerator when she needed brake. We say there are dozen of cases that girls accident more and more by the accelerator.
Girls can drive better because in our class, Sneha, she does come by the scooty and she has not done any accident till now.
Girls should not drive because they doesn't know how to park.
Girls are drive better and they follow all the traffic rules and they drive safely.
We see nowadays boys drive with full speed, which is chance of accident.
No, it's not true. Boys can drive faster than girls. Just like example of my friend, my buddy, Khushi, she drive very fast and she get accident 2-3 times in his driving journey.
Today's opponent's points are not logical. You talk about girls can't drive, but now you see Kalpana Chawla, Sunita Williams, they all are very good space scientists.
Opponents said that girls drive better than boys, but go to airline section. They are 90.2% boys are pilots, and they drive 90% flights of airlines.
In field of sports like MotoGP, all the F1 drivers are men.
I have so many friends who are drives and they drive with safely and they have done any accident till now.